Namaste everyone. In this video we shall solve a question related to trigonometric functions. This is a question present in exercise 3.3 of NCERT textbook of class 11. So this is question 2 from exercise 3.3. Let's prove this. So we need to prove 2 sine square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. Here there is no sign, means it's multiplication. So we need to prove this is equal to this one. So here the angles are expressed in a unit called radians. The angles are in radians. So let's take the LHS. Before that, if we find difficulty in stating the values of these trigonometric functions when the angles are expressed in radians, we shall first convert them in degrees or into degrees. How do we convert? So we know that angle in degrees is equal to angle in radians into 180 degrees by pi. So to convert angle in degrees or to convert angle in radians to angle in degrees, we just need to multiply the angle in radians by 180 by pi. So let's take the first angle, that is pi by 6. So pi by 6 into 180 degrees by pi. Pi and pi will cancel each other. So 6 1 times, 6 30 times. So this will be 30 degrees. So pi by 6 will be equal to 30 degrees. Now let's take the next angle, that is 7 pi by 6. So angle in radians is 7 pi by 6. So we have to multiply it by 180 degrees by pi. So pi and pi will get cancelled. So 6 1 times, 6 30 times. So 7 into 30, it will be 210 degrees. Next one is, next angle is pi by 3. We need to convert it to radians. So we'll multiply this angle by 180 by pi. Pi and pi will get cancelled. 3 1 times, 3 60 times. So it will be 60 degrees. Now let's consider the LHS. Now what is LHS? 2 sine square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3. Now we shall substitute these values here. So that is 2 sine square pi by 6. Pi by 6 is equal to 30 degrees. So 30 degrees. Cosecant square 7 pi by 6 is 210 degrees into cos square pi by 3. Pi by 3 is 60 degrees. Now we already know what is the value of sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. We also know the value of cos 60 degrees, which is again 1 by 2. But here we need to know what is the value of cosecant 210 degrees. Again, let us go back to a rule called as ASTC rule. In the recent videos, 2 or 3 videos on trigonometric functions, which I have uploaded in my YouTube channel Vinayaka AV, there I have discussed about this ASTC rule. I would suggest you to look into those videos as well. Also, please subscribe before watching, and if you like the videos, please like them. If you like my teaching, also please like them. Now here I shall briefly discuss this ASTC rule again. So here these are the two coordinate axes, and this is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and the fourth quadrant. In the first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios, A for all all trigonometric ratios are positive. All the 6 trigonometric ratios are positive. In the second quadrant, sine and its reciprocal, that is cosecant, are positive. In the third quadrant, tan and its reciprocal, that is cot, are positive. In the last quadrant or the fourth quadrant, cos and its reciprocal, secant, are positive. So in these 3 quadrants, except 2 trigonometric ratios, the remaining 4 trigonometric ratios will be negative. Now the first quadrant ranges from 0 degrees to 90 degrees. 90 degrees to 180 degrees is for second quadrant. This is 270 degrees, and then this is 360 degrees. 0 degrees is same as 360 degrees. Now what is cosecant square 210 degrees? So 210 degrees lies between 180 degrees and 270 degrees. That means this particular angle lies in the third quadrant. 210 lies in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, as I said before, except tan and cot, the remaining trigonometric ratios are negative. That means even cosecant is negative. Anyways, we're squaring it, we will see. Before that, let's spend some time in knowing what is the value of cosecant 210 degrees. So cosecant 210 degrees. Now cosecant, this 210 I can write as 180 degrees plus 30 degrees. So this cosecant 180 plus theta. Now what is theta? Theta should be an acute angle. Cosecant 180 plus theta will be equal to minus cosecant theta. Will be minus cosecant theta. Why minus here? Because 180 plus theta, if theta is an acute angle, that is between 0 and 90, the angle falls in third quadrant. In the third quadrant, cosecant is negative. You can easily prove this by using the identities. Sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Using this, first we can get the value of sine 180 plus theta as minus sine theta, and then we can take reciprocal to show that cosecant 180 plus theta is minus cosecant theta. So this one we shall see in the upcoming videos, how to prove or how to verify cosecant 180 plus theta is minus cosecant theta. Now so using this here, so cosecant 180, what is theta here? In place of theta, that is 30 degrees. So can be written as minus cosecant theta is what? 30 degrees. No, so 30 degrees. So minus cosecant 30 degrees is 1 by sine 30 degrees, which will be equal to 2. Which will be equal to 2. So cosecant 180, what is the value of cosecant 210 degrees? It will be equal to minus 210. Now we know the values of trigonometric ratios of all these angles. Now we can substitute the values and prove that this LHS is equal to 3 by 2. So again, let's consider the LHS again. So 2 sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2, but it has to be squared here. So that's why square plus cosecant 210 is minus 2, but we have to square here. So I'll square it into cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees is also 1 by 2, but it has to be squared here. So we'll square it. So this is 2 into 1 by 4. 2 square or minus 2 whole square is minus 2 into minus 2, which will be plus 4 into 1 by 4. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. So this is 2 into 1 by 4 will be equal to 1 by 2 plus this and this gets cancelled. So it will be 1. So what will the LHS be equal to? LHS will be equal to 1 by 2 plus 1, which is nothing but 3 by 2. Now what is the thing we need to prove here? We have to prove this is equal to 3 by 2. What is there in the RHS? In the RHS also we have 3 by 2. So I'll write it is equal to RHS. In this way, we can prove that 2 sine square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. So we can write hence proved. I hope you all have understood how we can prove this LHS is equal to RHS here. If you like my videos and if you would like to listen to more such videos, I request you to like the videos, share the videos, and please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you again.